Hello and welcome to Roy's Random Recipes. Today it is apple crumble. This is very easy, very quick and very tasty. Enjoy, let's cook. This is the ingredients for the apple portion. So I've got 300 grams of apples. Now ordinarily I would get brownie apples for this, cooking apples, but they didn't have any. Couldn't find it in any supermarket, so here we go. I've got Granny Smith's, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a tiny squeeze of lemon juice. Start by peeling the apples. Okay, now we just quarter it, to core it. There we go. I'll just take off the little green bits, take out the core. Roughly chop, not too small. You want a few chunks in the apple. I thought I was going to cut my finger off there. Into the saucepan, ready for cooking. Add the sugar. Tablespoon of water. Teaspoon of the vanilla. Just a squeeze of lemon. Mix that in and we'll just cook that with the lid on until it gets a little bit soft. I'll put the lid on and just let that cook. In the meantime, we'll crack on with the crumble. Ingredients for the crumble is 60 grams of flour, 20 grams of demerara sugar, and 20 grams of cold butter. Flour, demerara sugar, the butter, and you start to mix by hand. This is the fun bit. And what we're going to do with this is to make it into like a little biscuit crumbs. Doesn't take too long. It always reminds me of my mum. She used to do apple crumble all the time. Nearly there. Okay, that's the consistency that you want, just like that. The apple is now about ready. It's just about right. Don't want it too slushy. Want a few chunks in there. So we'll turn that off. And I'm going to transfer that to a buttered serving dish. So put the crumble over. Finally, I'm just going to give it a sprinkle of demerara sugar on the top. Just a little layer of sugar. There we go. There we are, all finished. So into the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. Now, while that is in the oven, just quench my thirst. Good health. Now that's had 40 minutes in the oven. Absolute perfection. Beautiful. Look at that. There you have it. Apple crumble with fresh cream. Simple, quick, delicious. Right, finally, a couple of things. I've got my little bowl here with my recipes in, but somebody has requested papaya salad, or as they could say, som tam, isan. So there I have it, the strip, fold that up, pop it in. If you've got any requests, please let me know, and I shall pop them into my little bucket. We're going to give them a stir around. And what we got here? Pick this one out. So we have prawn quenelles and a saffron sauce. That, you're in for a big treat. Oh, I can't tell you. Although I said prawns, you can make that. Actually, if you don't like prawns, everybody's allergic to them or whatever. You can make that with a white fish like halibut or cod, all just as good. Right, so finally, thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe, which is free. Like and share, and I'll see you very soon. Okay, bye for now.